Question number 1. What cultural shift does Devops describe? Good job. Your answer, all of the above, works well here. Question number 2. What are the stages in DevOps life cycle? Smart move. Testing, integration, deployment, monitoring is an accurate answer. Question number 3. Security tools shown in the Devops clip. Correct. Orca and White Hat DAST is the right answer. Question number 4. What is a key aspect of DevOps culture? Solid response. Cross-functional collaboration is a valid choice. Question number 5. What does the acronym Devops represent? Correct response. Development operations is the most accurate answer. Question number 6. Find one tool that is not a DevOps tool. Nice selection. Nicira is the correct and valid answer. Question number 7. What does the DevOps culture emphasize? Strong choice. All of the above is the right answer. Question number 8. DevOps practices. Select correct answer. Excellent. All of the above is a brilliant choice. Question number 9. DevOps average salary of a team leader. Excellent choice. 37,042 is the right answer. Question number 10. What are the key components of DevOps? Well picked. All is the correct answer. Question number 11. He is known as the father of DevOps. Well done. Patrick Debois is the right choice. Question number 12. What does 6CD stand for in DevOps? Sharp thinking. Continuous integration, continuous deployment is the right choice. Question number 13. DevOps teaming model is based on dash. You got it. Your choice cross-functional, self-managed and product-aligned is right. Question number 14. How many teams are involved in DevOps? Exactly. Single team makes sense, and it is right choice. Question number 15. What is the main objective of DevOps? On track? Shortening the time to market is the correct answer. Question number 16. DevOps is a combination of the words. You chose development and operations, and it is correct. Question number 17. What movement did DevOps grow out of? Smart pick. Agile is the correct choice. Question number 18. What defines the DevOps process loop? Right again. Plan, code, build, test, release, deploy, operate, monitor. Plan is a valid answer. Question number 19. Which is the best scenario of DevOps? Great thinking. I am Agile is the right choice. Question number 20. What does DevOps primarily focus on? Valid point. Reducing software development life cycle is true. Question number 21. What does the term DevOps stand for? You're right. Development and operations is the correct answer. Question number 22. What is Ansible used for in DevOps? Good thinking. Orchestration is the right answer. Question number 23. What is the primary goal of DevOps? Great job. To accelerate the software development lifecycle is the accurate answer. Question number 24. What is the main concept of DevOps? Right choice. Culture, practices, and tools that everyone uses is the best answer.
Question number 25. The Devops transformation canvas is
Well-reasoned. Our output is the correct choice.
Question number 26. What is Coder Pipeline in Oz Devops?
Nicely done. A service for continuous integration and delivery is a solid answer.
Question number 27. More than anything, Devops is dash.
Nice work. You chose a cultural movement and it is correct.
Question number 28. Devops is a work culture because
Clear logic. Your choice optimized workflows is sound and 100% true.
Question number 29. What are the 3 pillars of Devops?
Bravo, culture, practices, and tools is the answer. Question number 30. DevOps decrease the software dash. Perfect. Delivery time is the correct choice. Question number 31. What is the advantage of DevOps? Good job. Your answer enhanced the quality of the software works well here. Question number 32. What problems does DevOps solve? Strong choice. All of the above is the right answer.
Question number 33. How does Devops improve agility?
You chose applying agile principles to both dev and ops. And it is correct. Question number 34. DevOps is a combination of what? Solid response. Cultural philosophies, practices, and tools is a valid choice. Question number 35. What is the full form of DevOps? On track. Development and operations is the correct answer. Question number 36. DevOps allows teams to focus on clear logic. Your choice. The value is sound and 100% true.
Question number 37. What is Codestar in Oz Devops?
Excellent. A package for managing software development activities is a brilliant choice.
Question number 38. What is the end goal of Devops?
Smart move. Deliver value to end users is an accurate answer. Question number 39. What is a core value of DevOps? Excellent choice. Shortening release cycles is the right answer.
Question number 40. In Devops, you get feedback from
Great job. Of the tools is the accurate answer.
Question number 41. What does a DevOps engineer do?
Correct. All of the above is the right answer. Question number 42. Choose the team size for DevOps. Smart pick. Large is the correct choice. Question number 43. What is the purpose of DevOps? You're right. To accelerate the software delivery process is the correct answer.
Question number 44. DevOps is an extension of dash.
Valid point. Agile is true.
Question number 45. What are the stages of DevOps?
Sharp thinking. All is the right choice. Question number 46. Identify the tool for DevOps. Exactly. All of the above makes sense and it is right choice.
Question number 47. What does Devops represent?
Well done. Development and operations is the right choice.
Question number 48. When was term Devops coined?
Right choice. 2002 is the best answer. Question number 49. The DevOps cycle is iterative. Well picked, and is the correct answer.
Question number 50. Is Informatica a DevOps tool?
Right again. No is a valid answer.
Question number 51. Benefits of DevOps practices.
Perfect. All of these is the correct choice.
Question number 52. Is DevOps and Agile is same?
Bravo. No is the answer.
Question number 53. What is the need for DevOps?
Nice selection. Both and is the correct and valid answer.
Question number 54. DevOps is the union of dash.
Nicely done. People, process and product is a solid answer.
Question number 55. Choose a project for DevOps.
Correct response. Agile is the most accurate answer.
Question number 56. When was DevOps introduced?
Great thinking. 2007 why 2008 is the right choice.
Question number 57. Dash is the focus in DevOps.
Well reasoned. Collaboration is the correct choice.
Question number 58. It is not a DevOps feature.
Nice work. You chose none of the above, and it is correct.
Question number 59. DevOps responsibilities of.
Good thinking. Link between departments is the right answer.
Question number 60. Tools that support DevOps.
You got it. Your choice, Jenkins, Bamboo, Git is right.
Question number 61. What stage is not DevOps?
Correct. Software development is the right answer.
Question number 62. What does DevSecOps mean?
Good thinking. Integration of security into the DevOps process is the right answer.
Question number 63. Which year DevOps begins?
Perfect. 2008 is the correct choice.
Question number 64. DevOps average salary of.
Well reasoned. 20,000 is the correct choice.
Question number 65. Is DevOps and Agile same?
Valid point. No is true.
Question number 66. Why use Oz for DevOps?
You're right. All of the above is the correct answer.
Question number 67. The DevOps pillars are.
Excellent choice. Agile, ITSM, and continuous delivery is the right answer.
Question number 68. What is Oz in DevOps?
Exactly. A cloud service platform provided by Amazon makes sense, and it is right choice.
Question number 69. The tasks in DevOps are.
Nicely done. Both A and B is a solid answer.
Question number 70. Chef is a DevOps tool.
Good job. Your answer yes works well here.
Question number 71. Tools used for DevOps.
Bravo. Docker is the answer.
Question number 72. DevOps stands for dash.
You got it. Your choice development and operation is right.
Question number 73. Is Jira DevOps tool?
Well done. Yes is the right choice.
Question number 74. Father of DevOps is.
Great job. Patrick D. Boys is the accurate answer.
Question number 75. DevOps focuses on.
Right again. The communication is a valid answer.
Question number 76. DevOps stand for.
Nice work. You chose development and operations, and it is correct.
Question number 77, Devops results in.
Strong choice. All of the above is the right answer. Question number 78, what is Devops? Smart move. A philosophy is an accurate answer. Question number 79, what is comms? Excellent. An acronym for Devops values is a brilliant choice.
Question number 80, Devops is not.
Correct response. A one-size-fits-all strategy is the most accurate answer. Question number 81. How you will get all these quiz questions in PDF books format?
Smart pick. Contact Narayan Chengder is the correct choice.